What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to this new episode. And once again, the fragrance I'm going to review is from the house of French Avenue, aka Fragrance World, and this is the last from the series. I have already reviewed Cocoa Morado on my channel. You can see the detailed review if you're interested, and then I have also reviewed a Liquid Brun from the French Avenue. If you like this scent or if you want to know about this perfume, you can have a look at my review on my channel. And now the last from the collection, and the most hyped, the most beautiful, the most wow kind of scent which I love the most is Azzure Aoud. And this stuff is fire, literally fire guys. This is something really extraordinary, and this one smells really divine. So let's start the review, and as always we'll start with the presentation first. So you'll get this perfume in this beautiful box. Once again, the presentation is very similar to the other two. The only difference is the color here. You'll get that blue color here in this box. It's a solid box, this beautiful blue gem, the name of the perfume, Azzure Aoud, French Avenue, the logo of the brand, the same metallic plate here on the side. And here this time they put the silver sticker, and even this plate here is not in gold color this time, but this is silver. And the notes breakdown of the perfume printed in white, nothing on this side. Logo of French Avenue on the top and some ingredient details in the back, and then your made and barcode in the bottom. So this is the box, and now let me show you the bottle. So once again, magnetic lid. So once you're going to open it, find this beautiful blue bottle in this cutout of foam and velvet. And now let me show you the bottle. So once again, bottle is very similar to the other two, and here you go. This is stunning and beautiful. I love this blue shade. Blue is overall my favorite color, but this shade is something really magical. You will find this gem once again here on the bottle, the name of the perfume, Azzure Aoud, this metallic plate. This time it's not golden, but it's silver, then this metallic silver neck, and this beautiful cap made of this metallic silver, blue gem and plastic here. And this is the atomizer, the silver one. And let me show you the atomizer. I want to spray it because I want to smell this beautiful perfume, and here you go. Once again, nice atomizer similar to the other two. So this was about the presentation. You can see the shape of the bottle here, okay? And now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me tell you that this perfume is inspired by, once again, Maison Crivelli's Oud Maracuja. And this is really stunning, and wow, this is damn good guys. This is literally fire. Let me give the notes breakdown first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So here in the top you will get passion fruit, saffron, rose. In the middle you will get oud, patchouli and benzoin, and then in the base you will get leather, citrus, vanilla and amber. So this is the official notes breakdown, and now I will try to tell you that how this perfume actually smells. This is a beautiful take on LV's Ombre Nomade. So if you know that DNA of Ombre Nomade, it will be very easy for you to understand it. Just get the DNA of Ombre Nomade, remove that raspberry from the top and add a lot of passion fruit, and you will get Azzure Aoud or Maison Crivelli's Oud Maracuja. But this change, this little change, have taken this perfume to the next level. It smells sweet, fruity. You will get a lot of passion fruit mixed with rose. You'll get that sweet, beautiful jammy rose mixed with a lot of passion fruit, mixed with a lot of oud, leather, vanilla, saffron, patchouli and sandalwood. This is how this perfume smells. The contrast here is amazing. That beautiful, fresh passion fruit mixed with rose, and then this dark base. This contrast is working like a magic. So this is how this perfume actually starts. And then towards the second phase, it almost remains the same, but becomes a little bit more oudy and more woody. And then in the final dry down, it becomes oudy, woody. You'll start to get that beautiful creamy touch of sandalwood here in the dry down. But the whole journey is amazing. If you like these kind of scents, if you like Ombre Nomade, if you know that DNA, and if you can imagine to add passion fruit instead of raspberry, then get this one. And all of you guys who cannot afford that original Maison Crivelli's Oud Maracuja 50 ml for 1200 to 1300 dirhams, get your hands on this one and you will be loving it. This is really stunning. And now let's talk about that. How close is this to the original Oud Maracuya? So let me tell you guys, this is very close. The original one definitely is more strong, it's more deep, it's more dense. But this one is also rocking, especially for the price you are paying here. So if you like Oud Maracuya, even if you have the original one, get 1 or 2 bottles of these. Once this perfume is out of stock, you will be regretting, I'm telling you guys. So this was about Azzure Aoud and the comparison between this and the original. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. 1 day lasting and the projection is crazy. Start with 8 to 10 sprays and you will be rocking for the whole day. People are going to ask you what you are wearing and you will get a lot of compliments from this perfume. And now let's talk about the gender. Purely unisex. Ladies, gents, anyone can rock it easily. Yes, I know there is leather. Yes, I know there is oud, but ladies are going to love it a lot. So for me, unisex. For the age, yes, you should be a little bit mature, but I would say that even youngster, they should try it because this is such a beautiful scent. So it's a perfume for mature people, but anyone can try it. And now let's talk about the occasion. Any occasion, especially if it's wedding, it's a party, it's clubbing, you're going for some special meeting where you want to impress people, you are dressing good, you want to smell rich and confident, use this perfume and you will be rocking. Just avoid sports activities and gym. Other than that, it's good for each and every kind of scenario. And now let's talk about the price. So you'll get this perfume in 100 ml quantity with this beautiful presentation, and the current price of this inside UAE is 150 UAE dirhams. At least this is what I have paid for it. I bought it from Amazon and it was for 150 UAE dirham. But trust me guys, for this kind of price tag and the quality you are getting here is exceptionally good. This is a banger, this is a steal. Do get this bottle for yourself and thanks me later. So this was about Azzure Aoud. I hope you like this review. Do let me know in the comments box if you have already tried this perfume. I would love to hear your feedback. So I'm going to catch you in my another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant and bye.